step into the future of effortless flight. This is the DJI Neo, a beginner-friendly flying camera designed to make every moment unforgettable. Weighing only 135 grams, the Neo is lighter than most smartphones. That means no licensing hassles, and it fits within A1 and A3C0 regulations, so you can fly with total peace of mind. And the best part? No bulky controller required. Just place it in your hand, tap once, and Neo takes off, safely and smoothly. Perfect for barbecues, weekend hikes, or capturing those spontaneous laughs with friends. Whether you're running on the beach, cycling through the city, or celebrating a birthday, Neo follows the action. With AI motif tracking and 8 creative QuickShots, getting dynamic, cinematic vlogs has never been easier. Just fly and let Neo handle the artistry. You choose how to control it. Voice commands in English and Chinese, the DJI mobile app, or a classic RC for precision flight. Flexible control, endless fun. Equipped with 4K ultra-stabilized video and level 4 wind resistance, Neo keeps footage crisp and smooth, even when the weather isn't. From kayaks to mountain trails, your adventures will always look amazing. And for the newbies, relax. Neo features full coverage propeller guards for all-around protection. Go ahead, explore your living room, weave through tree branches, fly confidently. The DJI Neo comes ready to take flight with a battery, propeller guards, and everything you need to start flying right out of the box. Lightweight, smart, safe, creative. The sky is no longer the limit, it's your playground. This is the DJI Neo, and it's time to elevate every moment.